Do you want to know how you can log into your Sharekhan mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Sharekhan mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or its browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Sharekhan mutual fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the official login portal of Sharekhan by BNP Paribas. This is your login portal. Now you can log in using your ID or your email address. Go ahead and write down your login ID or email address in this box and your membership password in another box. After you write down your membership password, make sure to look at it once and check it by clicking on this eye icon. So, after you write down your login ID or your email ID and your membership password, click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Sharekhan mutual fund account. If you have forgotten your ID or your password and want to change it, go ahead and click on this link and you can recover your password and retrieve back your ID once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your Sharekhan mutual fund account was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.